Alright, hey guys, making another video, of course. I I got asked a question on YouTube saying what bike do I have, and well, I had a bike. Sad thing is, I'm gonna need a new engine sooner than I thought. So I had to sell it, of course, which really sucks. But I'm trying to find the video of, here we go. So here's the video that I got the asked on. Yeah, right here. If you guys want to go see it, it's on my channel, of course. We got a stupid commercial like normal. Just romping planes. There's me wearing the Range 15 shirt, and I'll talk about that in a bit and show you guys what's up about that. So here's the comment of saying, what bike do you have? I said, I'm actually not riding a bike in this video. I'm using my truck. I'm going to make a video explain my bike situation, which of course I am right now. I had a 2006 Kawasaki 100 KX, which is a two-stroke, and well, I had that because I had to get a new. I'm getting a new engine bad because every time I turn the truck on, the engine lights comes on, and I changed the oil like 4,000 miles ago. I have to change it again at 5, which I'm gonna do it sooner. I'm probably gonna go do it now after I let the truck cool off because I've just been driving to get a package, which I want to show you guys. But here's the engine I'm going to get, and it's only 1,700. I'm at 15, and with all the stuff I'm going to need, the engine mounts, all that, and yes, it's cast iron. If I go with aluminum, it's gonna aluminum block with aluminum heads and everything is just skyrocket in price. That's what it comes down to. So it's either, hold on, let it load. Here we go. So it's either this one or this one, TriStar. I'm just gonna show you guys. So everything will still fit on my truck. It's a long block, all that. That's what I need, a long block. Just to build your own. Okay, well, it really doesn't say much about it, but it's still cast iron. There's really not much difference in it. Unless you want to get a gold timing cover, but I really don't care about that. So I'm going with this one. And so yeah, so I'm getting this engine, and I'm just going to show you my truck. So there's really not much to it, like I said, it's just an engine. So I did just get done driving. Pop the hood. Oh geez, too bad there's not a temperature sensor on the GoPro or something, because man, that's warm. And it's not even 150 degrees. It's under that. So basically just gonna get a new engine, throw it in, get new heads, a new cam, lifters, all that in the new one. And throw the, well, I'm gonna get a new throttle body on it, which is gonna withstand, well, a whole new fuel system, I should say, that could withstand 800 horsepower. And that right there is gonna tell you a lot of what I'm going to do to it. So I'm also thinking of getting some toys here and there. Like I just saw on Taylor Ray, I think that's his YouTube name. Let's go look for it. Taylor You know what? I don't know. Hold on, let's go to subscriptions. He could post one. Or should have post one. You know, let's just go to history because I've watched his YouTube video recently. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, Taylor, yeah, Taylor Ray. This guy right here. I'll just go to his video that I saw with him doing. All right, let's unplug the headphones.
Going to the bathroom in the dark. That's
Hopefully you guys could see this well. Like, it doesn't have to adjust as much. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of his channel, like what he's doing. He got rock lights.
light in every spot he can put an LED light in. You want to do a tour? We should do a quick tour. Quick tour. Ready?
And this is his roommate. He's just saying for this guy knows, his roommate knows all about LEDs, so he put all the LEDs in his cars and truck. So he put light bars for his headlights. You guys just have to go see his channel and everything. So he put light bars as his headlights, and let's go a bit further so you can see a little demo of what they do. So you got engine, you got the wheel well, you got inside, and he's just doing a little demo of what it would look like and everything. So that's kind of what I would want to do. And I'm gonna show you the price because I saw last night. It's only 130 for 8. For 8. That's ridiculous. So I'm gonna do that because that's kind of what I want. Also, on my truck with, and with all that stuff. So I'm gonna show you something I got in the mail, which is incredible. You know, there's something on the lens. Hold on, I'm gonna clean you guys. Bloop, bloopers. There you go. So yeah, so I got something in the mail from one of the people that I like. I don't know if you heard of Max Best. I think that's his name. Alright, let's go on YouTube. Just type in his name. All sorts of stuff will pop up under his name. Or not. This is like nothing that... Okay, what the hell? What? Ooh, don't want to show you that. Oh, Matt Best, not Max. Whoops, I should know that. Sorry, Matt. Don't come kill me or hurt me. And you guys will see why I said that. So, if you go to his channel, which I'm surprised I'm actually not. So that's him. I'm just gonna pause it. So he has a website. I don't know if you've seen anything of his, but let's just go to this. So click that. Play.
My fellow Americans, as you are all painfully aware, the last few days since the crash of an aircraft carrying an unknown virus have been full of sorrow, heartache, and deep despair.
Right, 15. You have to get to range 15.
It is believed that one of them is responsible for saving mankind.
Good afternoon, Mr. Best. What's range 15?
It's a fallback point for an ELE.
Shit. I'm not gonna leave the fate of the world to you fuck-offs.
I prefer my guy.
Keep your ears buttered up, blast and fire to their aim.
Why are we going to range 15? That's where the scientists are, and we have the cure. Stay away from the glass. If this was a zombie movie, you'd be getting ripped through that glass right about now. This is a zombie movie. Look, Matt, sometimes things can look pretty bleak.
So yeah, that's what he has been doing. But I had a couple things in the mail from him a while ago, and well, he finally came out with the movie. So I'm gonna go watch it. And I'm sorry, but I had to. I was gonna do an unboxing, Matt. I'm telling you personally, but I'm sorry. I can't even fucking speak. Yeah, I would have done open boxing, but I was too excited for this shit. So what I got is the movie, of course, a shirt with a medallion or a coin. I forgot what the actual word is, but here's what it says. The only thing scarier than the world ending is a team that's trying to save it, which is basically kind of true. That is kind of pretty damn scary. So, and I got this. Most likely a pulser is what I'm assuming. Unless it's a barrel of some sort for a gun, which I'll be dope, but I know it's not. So hey, at least I'm doing the unboxing of this. And let's try and open it. Oh cool. So this is really hard doing in one hand, but it shows you this. I don't know if you guys can see it well because I don't have the LCD screen on my GoPro, so I don't have that one yet. I don't have the Hero 3 White, and that one doesn't come with much of anything besides the GoPro and the charger. So yeah, it's just a poster of that. And so, yeah, let's angle you guys, okay. Or just lay flat and not be able to see me at all. So, that's kind of what I got. And I don't know about you. I'm gonna go watch it. I don't know if I should play it in my truck, because I have a stereo system now. I got two subs, two kickers, two 10-inch kickers, the CVR. That's weird how to say it. And there's a mom, so. Yeah, so I got two CVR kickers, 10 inches with an amp, an Aaron amp or something. But I'm probably gonna go just watch it on TV after my sister does her homework. So yeah, thank you, Matt. Thank you guys for doing range 15. I really appreciate it. I really want to go watch it, but my sister has to do homework. So yeah, so see you guys in the next video. And remember, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more stuff. Thank you.